Hello friends, we are back again to take out the papers on our UFO block, and then I am going to attach it to this really awesome sweater. So let's get right into it. I've got my tweezers from Eversewn. One is a flat pair and the other is a super sharp curved pair, and I am using those to get into the tricky spots on my UFO. But otherwise, the pieces are so big that I could just use my fingers to pull them out. And most of my pieces are coming out in one big piece, so they are reusable. You can see in a few spots where I sewed through my papers. I know it's something that we've talked about not doing, but even I have a problem sewing through the papers sometimes. And like with most of my recent videos, I have a longer and slower form video on YouTube for those that are interested in seeing more of the process and more of my gentle ramblings. And so once I am done removing all of my papers, I will press all of my seams back into place, and then I will back my block with fusible SF101, which keeps all of my seams in place and everything will be all tucked in. And now I am doing a very small zigzag around the edges. I like this part because it goes fast. And once I have gone around all of my edges, I will remove my pins and make sure I didn't sew the front to the back at any point. I've listed this sweater up in my Etsy, and it can now be yours. See you next time, my friends.